Good morning. Now the case law about land loss is a very vast subject. Normally, almost 90% law graduates would have suffered this area of subject, land loss. Land loss and the Land Acquisition Act both are two different, and even the universities had two papers for land loss. One is land loss, other one is land acquisition loss. Therein you can see the Urban Sealing Act, the Kudiruppu Act, lot of acts are there. But I would like to refer the judgment because those who are interested in understanding the tenants law must go through this judgment in entirety to understand what is land laws and what is power of the state government to enact laws, even though there are laws already in existence. That apart, Article 40 reasonable classification was also deeply discussed in the judgment. This very fancy name, you could remember the citations. Harbhajan Singh versus State of Punjab. AR 2020, Supreme Court 639. Here, the Punjab Religious Premises Land Eviction and Rent Recovery Act, virus of that act was challenged because they say there are already two acts there. That one is Rent Control Act and other one is Transfer of Property Act. Rent Control Act is equal to our Tamil Nadu Buildings Lease and Rent Control Act. Therefore, the Supreme Court has decided the issue under Article 226. Judicial review was also discussed. Here, the recently enacted act empowered the commissioner to pass an order on report that somebody is under encroach, unauthorized occupation of the religious premises. Religious premises were deeply discussed, that is available at paragraph 9 of the judgment. You must go through the entirety of that, what was the religion. Therefore, these provisions are correlated to Tamil Nadu Hindu Religious and Endowment Act and also Waqf Act. A lot of these things are available. But my concentration was that what was the unauthorized occupation was deeply discussed in the judgment. You have to concentrate on that area of definition, what was the unauthorized occupation, so that you can defend your clients effectively. The case law, the judgment says class legislation was prohibited and not classification for purpose of legislation. That is under Article 14 you have to say. Then intelligible differentia. That is reasonable classification. If reasonable classification should there may be some intelligence, logical things. Then the S. Kandasamy Chettiar versus State of Tamil Nadu is the judgment wherein the Madras Rent Control Act was challenged. This judgment also said that the Rent Control Act was somewhat a separate provisions deviating from Transfer of Property Act. Therefore, Transfer of Property Act was also discussed in several other judgments. Ravi Dutt Sharma versus case, Keval Singh case, Ashoka Marketing Limited. These all are the important case. You have to understood the entirety of the concept of rent control. Finally, the Supreme Court has held this way. The virus of the enactment of the Act was upheld. But however, they say the question of unauthorized occupants may be for this certain guidelines was given, and they say if that guidelines was not followed, even though there were some records to show that you are in authorized occupation, then that is subject to review 226 by against the order of the commissioner. That facilitates you to go to the High Court by challenging any such order passed by the commissioners of religious endowment in Tamil Nadu. In other states, similar acts like this act passed by the Punjab state. Therefore, kindly go through the entirety of judgment. Best wishes.